Hello there folks, Mike Potts with Lakeshore RV. I am here with the Keystone Outback Ultra-Lite. It's the 221UMD. This thing here starts out at $33,695 or $242 a month for payments. We do offer nationwide financing, so we can take care of that. We can also ship it to your door wherever you are in the continental United States. If you want to reach out to me personally, my cell is 231-215-2750. You can call or text me. The store, 231-788-2040, or you can check us out on the website. We're at lakeshore-rv.com. Let's go check this thing out. Tons of open space in this couples camper, very towable at 27 feet total and an overall weight of 5,200 pounds. Guys, thanks for watching. Again, my name is Mike. You can reach out to me directly at 231-215-2750. That's call or text. Call us at the store, 231-788-2040, or check us out on the web at lakeshore-rv.com. And again, keep in mind, we can handle all the financing here, and we're also going to ship it straight to your doorstep. Thanks again, guys.